Hello, children. Dear parents, today I am Jaisha teacher going to show you some strategies and method to improve the grip of your child. These are the pre-writing skills that you can use before starting your writing with your kids. Children, you all will practice accordingly. Your hands will be getting the strength and your muscles will be stronger and more coordinated. Your wrist will also get the strength. You will able to hold the pencil very correctly. And there are few specific exercises which prove to help improve pencil grip through many years of experience. Okay, come on now. Teacher will share some videos with you all so you will able to write properly. Children, teacher will show you some pre-writing techniques and that you have to do at home, so you will get the strength in your fingers and even your motor skills will develop. You can develop your fine motor skills. Children, see, this teacher has taken the grains. You have to transfer this grain to the other bowl without splitting. Okay, yes, this is the first activity. Then you can slowly, after that you can take the water also, so you can transfer the water in the other bowl. Yeah, like this. Enjoy doing this activity. Now teacher will show you another activity. Now third activity is lacing the object. You see, you can make any object and you can take this lace and you can tell the children you can do this lacing process, so your fine motor skin will develop. These are the best way to improve your pencil grip. You will get the strength in your fingers by doing this lacing activity. So parents, you can make like this object and give the children for lacing. Now next technique. Now teacher has taken the sand. You can trace on the sand. Sleeping lines. You can make any shape. You can make any zigzag lines. Yes, this is the best way to prepare a child for writing. These are the pre-skill writing. These are the pre-writing skills. Overall, your sensory organs will develop. Your mindset will work faster. These are the best techniques teacher has showed today. For before starting the writing, you can do all this activity. I am teaching you one of the other method to prepare your child for writing, that is scribbling. You have to take jumbo crayons and let the child scribble on the newspaper. Scribble and let them say scribble, 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 scribble. This is the very good technique to prepare your child for writing. Before writing, you can start this activity with them, and after that you can tell them to scribble in the plain paper. Scribble, 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 scribble. Yeah, so their grip for holding the pencil will improve and they will be ready for writing.